Hello everybody, and welcome to a pretty cool video. This is what I'm going to be reviewing today. The Sonic Screwdriver. So, let's get started. So what this thing does is it lights up. It lights up basically. And it makes sound. It makes this sound. It makes either one of two sounds. This sound, right here, or this sound. Now, this is a pretty cool toy. I love the way it looks. And it can go up, just like the 10th Dr. Sonic Screwdriver. It is the 10th Doctor's. And you can't press this button in order to use it. You have to press this button right above in order to use it. Now, I will be using this in the Doctor Who Adventures from now on. So, enjoy this Sonic Screwdriver. Enjoy.